Want to switch accounts on Mobile Legends using your Android phone? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to switch your MLBB account easily. Let's get started. First, open the Mobile Legends app on your Android. Once you're on the main screen, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Now tap Account. Here, you'll see several binding options. Make sure your account is connected to at least one of these options. Personally, I recommend using the Moonton account, which is the most secure of all. On your other account, also make sure to connect to one of these account options. After connecting your game account with any of these accounts, tap on Switch Account on the right side. Now tap on any of these options that you have used on your other account. After that, properly enter your email address or phone number. Then enter your password and simply log in. As soon as your other MLBB account is connected to this method, you will be able to switch right away. And that's it. That's how you switch accounts on Mobile Legends using your Android phone. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more Mobile Legends tips and tricks. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more Mobile Legends tips and tricks. See you in the next one.